Imagine you have two guys who are both trying to become rich and successful. Meet Bob and Bill. Both of these guys work at a typical job, and pretty much everything about them is the same, except for one thing. And it's this one thing that will make all of the difference and send their lives down completely different paths. You see, Bob is a great guy, and he loves to work hard. Every 2 weeks, he picks up his paycheck, pays all of his basic expenses, and puts any extra money that he has in the bank. Bob was taught to save all of his money from a young age, so that when he retires, he will have enough money to live on. Bill also receives his paycheck at the same time, and he also pays his basic expenses, like rent and car insurance. And like Bob, after receiving each check, Bill has some extra money left over that he can save. But this is where things change dramatically between the two men. Instead of putting his extra money into a savings account, Bill decides to do something different with it. So he invests it into his side business, which consists of selling hot sauce that he makes in his home from fresh chili peppers. Fast forward 40 years, and Bob, the guy who kept all of his extra money in a savings account, has just under $100,000, which is the average amount of money that the typical American family has by the time they retire. Bill, on the other hand, continued to invest all of his money every month into his business. And over the span of 40 years, he manages to grow his chili pepper side gig into one of the biggest hot sauce companies in the world. And he now has a net worth that is north of $100 million. Both men started working at a gas station and had no major advantages in life. Everything was basically the same. But now, 40 years later, Bob doesn't even have enough money to cover his retirement years, while Bill has more money than he knows what to do with. Also, it only took about 2 years for Bill's chili pepper business to take off. And once that happened, he was able to work less while making more and more money. The one thing that made all of the difference was that Bill chose to invest his money, while Bob allowed his money to rot in the bank. One of the fundamental differences between the rich and the poor is that the rich are always looking for new ways to invest their money. The mindset of the rich person is completely different. Bob, the guy who saved all of his money, was always thinking in terms of scarcity, so he would think to himself, wow, I better save all of this money because I don't want to run out. On the flip side, Bill, the guy who became extremely wealthy, was always thinking to himself, okay, I've got some extra money. Now how can I use this money to make more money? What you have to understand is that every single dollar is like a little worker that you now control. If you have $1,000, you basically have 1,000 little miniature workers who are ready to go out into the world and bring back more dollars. And investments, such as Bill's chili pepper business, are like giant airplanes that carry your little workers all around the world, wherever they need to go to bring back more dollars. The more that you invest, as long as you're investing in the right things, the more your money will grow. This is the secret power behind why the rich get richer and the poor get poorer. Think about it like this. Say you start out with $1,000. You invest every single dollar that you have, and each of those dollars brings back 30 cents after 1 month. By the next month, you have $1,300, and you send all of those little workers out into the world through your proven investment. Once again, they bring back 30 cents for every dollar that you send out. The next month, you have $1,690 to send out. If this continues for the next 2 years, assuming your squadron of dollars grew by 30% every month, you would have in excess of 500,000 little workers to send out into the world. And this is where it really starts to get exciting. And all of this from just the tiny initial investment of $1,000. This is one of the main reasons why the rich get richer. Because as they gain more of these little dollar workers, the more leverage they have to bring back more. Imagine what someone with 10 million little workers could do. But it all begins with a single dollar. The single dollar that you spent on that large drink from McDonald's. Or those 5 little worker dollars that you spent on that coffee that you didn't really need. The greatest success in life, or the voyage to your hidden treasure, it all begins with that first step. And those first 100, 500, or 1,000 little dollar workers that you send out into the world. Understanding the little worker principle will move your game piece in life one step closer to success. And with that said, until next time, thanks for watching.